Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about the EduCandy website. This is a easy learning website and the students are enjoying their studies using this website. It's a fun learning. Making a here listen. Just you type EduCandy in the Google. Educandy making learning sweeter. Sweeter means it using some candies. Okay, so Educandy website open, and now we have you are in the Educandy website. Okay, this makes a sweetest learning for the children. Now in the pandemic situation, it's very difficult to give the input for the students, so we are using like this. Fun learning means they can enjoy learning. Okay, the students can enjoy learning. Parents also can use this website and create some game like learning learning games. They can make it and give it to their uh, children's, means they are enjoying the learning. Okay, so actually this is the home page of the Educandy website. Here we have three different games. In this three different comes, first one is words. In this words itself we have some more different games. Totally in this three part we have total 8 games are there. Okay, so create a new list of words. So here this is a new list of words game. Just you can your activity name you can give it. I am giving number. Maximum 5 characters you have to give. Okay, activity subject 50 characters. Okay, subject mathematics. Already I put allied mathematics here, so just I am putting mathematics here now. Okay, create. Okay, so now I made these titles numbers and mathematics. If suppose you need to edit, you can just click and edit your title. Okay, I don't want, I just. So current words, what are the words? So you can introduce many words to your children, add words. Okay, and when they are reading it, that time the candy will appear and make them enjoy. Okay, so this is the one of the activity. This is one of the activity, and again I am going to the home page. I just introduce here matching pairs. Here in this matching pairs we have more games. Your activity name you can give it, and here matching pairs na match the following or antonyms, synonyms, and some more. What are the pairing questions? Those questions we can give it here. Okay, not numbers. I am giving some opposites. Okay, opposite questions. Okay, opposites in English. Subject English. Okay, subject English. I want to create now matching pairs la antonyms or create antonyms opposites. Okay, synonyms or match the following. This like everything you can pair here. Okay, add pair. You just this is my topic, opposites in English. Add pairs. Okay, so just you put the plus. Put the plus and put your name. What are the opposites? I really forgot. Beauty, 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 beautiful, 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 beautiful. The antonyms is opposite is ugly, ugly. Okay, so one pair is ready now. If suppose you don't want, you can cancel it, no problem. Add another pair. One pair is ready, beautiful, ugly, and add another pair. Again, what tell some young, old, young, old. Okay, add this pair. Okay, young, old, beautiful, ugly, young, old. Cry, laugh. Okay, cry, pair, blanca. I put it blanca, sorry. Happy, happy, sad. Okay, happy, sad. So add back. So 3 pairs I give. It will shuffle and give it to you. This makes a game, and finally you can get it a candy. Okay, so my activity is here. These are the pairs I add here, and now I want to go to my activities. Here, look at this English opposites I said na. So now I want to play. Yeah, what are the games here? Look at this. Play game. What it is? Norts and Crats. Norts and Crats. In Tamil they are said Adupuliyatam. That is called as Norts and Crats. Okay. Like that. The words are at least 9 words. 9 words they want for this game. So it's not possible here. I am only giving 3 pairs, right? So knots and crosses is not possible. So crosses is possible or not? We will try. Crosswords, because knots and cross la 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3. So 9 pairs they want. Okay. So opposite, I try to play. Yeah, go, beautiful. Yes, beautiful. First one is beautiful. So 3 letter word we have to put. It is young. Okay, is it correct? We have to select. For first one is young. Okay, young and old. I want to give. These are the candies here. I want to select the letters old. O I selected. L I selected. D. Got it. Okay. So next for beautiful. For beautiful I have to select beautiful. What is the S? We try from U. Okay, ugly. U G L Y. Yes, got it. Okay, crosswords. We win. You win. Okay. So here 1 minute 10 seconds. Within 1 minute 10 seconds, we will win. These candies are for us. Okay. So this is a crossword, and another game. Is, what is another game? Go to my activity. Yeah, the opposites are saved. Here play. It's not possible because at least 9 words it needed. Here crosswords we completed. Match up. Just you match the pairs. Okay, opposite. Beautiful now, ugly you can match it. Like that. Okay. Yes. Yeah. opposite, play. Yes, some music appears. 1, 2, 3, beautiful, ugly, young, sad, happy. So you have to match it. Yes, happy, sad, old, young, old, beautiful, ugly. Okay, so you win. It shows win. Okay, so this is a game. And another game, go to my activity, and select play. These are the 3 games we have completed. The next one, memory game. Okay, so we go to play here now. I think it's enough of that 6 words. Okay, good. To start playing, play. Yes, yeah, young now. Old we have to select where it is. No, it is not correct. Sad. Oh, young. Oh, happy, sad na? Happy, sad. Yes, correct. I sad here. Okay, ugly, beautiful, ugly na? Beautiful here na? Beautiful, ugly. Yes, correct. Okay, memory game it is. Okay, young, old. Good. I won the game. Okay, so like this, it makes enjoy the children. Okay, so again I am going to my activity and play some other game. Already we have played 4 type of games. This is the 5th one, multiple choice. Yeah, I think the words are enough. It goes to the multiple choice play. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, go to the game. Here only 30 seconds. Beautiful, select, beautiful, ugly. Yes, correct. Yeah, I filled with the candies. My box is filled with the candies. Yes, next question. Happy, sad. Yes, my box filled with the chocolates, candies. But if suppose I put the wrong answer, what will happen? We have to see na. Young now, old is the correct answer, we know. I just put sad. What happens? Yeah. What happens? Only 47 marks and the candy not filled with the chocolates. The box not filled with the candies. Okay. So only 30 seconds. Within that 30 seconds, suppose you change another option also, means we can get it. We can get the candy and we can get the score also. Okay. So the students will enjoy, the people enjoys. So please try to make it like this games and make the education very interesting and ask the children to learn through these things. Okay, I think all the games are over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 games over. Suppose I gave 9 words, means the noughts and crafts game also I can play. So you should try. Okay, you should try. Okay. Yes, what is the next one? Matching pairs over. Next, quiz. How to make a quiz using this Educandy website. Okay, it's also very interesting. Yeah, I want to make a quiz. Already I prepared something, numbers I prepared, I think so. Yeah, first I want to introduce you how to prepare. Okay, and then I will go for the superior one. What quiz we can prepare now? Wow, numbers. Okay, numbers. Numbers. What are the numbers? Numbers na aptitude questions. Aptitude questions. Okay, aptitude questions, right? So create numbers, aptitude questions, create. Yeah, this is my title now, and now add some questions. Already I have some questions here. Numbers in numbers. Some aptitude question I want. Why not we search in the internet? Numbers, aptitude questions, numbers. Okay, aptitude questions. Numbers. Yeah. Numbers aptitude questions. Yeah. You got it. I just copy and paste here important general questions. Yes. Which one of the following is not a prime number? Okay. Copy. 31, 61, 71, 91. 31, 61, 71, 91. Question I want to paste. Answers. Which answer is correct answer? That one only we have to put first. Okay. So first we can choose which answer is correct. 91 is the correct answer. First of all, you have to fill the correct answer. Okay. Correct answer only you have to fill first, and then you can fill another answers 31, 41, 51, 61, anything. Okay. 41 first we need to fill. It will shuffles afterwards. So just you have to fill the questions. Okay. And if suppose you wants to, that's all, over na, over, one question over. Suppose you want to add another question, add a question. You put add a question, and now it saves your previous one and it comes to the next one. So put plus for adding the question. Now I want to choose another question. What question it is? Yeah, I want to choose another question. 112 into 5 power 4. Yes, this is my question. I just put the question here. Okay, what is the answer? Answer only we need to put first. Okay, so what is the answer? Answer B, option 70,000 is the answer. So first of all you have to fill the answer. Okay, some other answers you can fill. Okay, fill in the next one. Alternative answers you can fill. Okay. Okay, so some alternative answers I filled. So just I want to suppose you want a duplicate activity. If suppose one more file it can put. Okay, you put duplicate means it will put one more file. Okay, I go to my activities. Yeah, you want to save or not? It asks yes. I want to save. Yes. Numbers, mathematics. Okay, aptitude question. Okay, numbers, aptitude. Now I prepared. Yeah, it asked me to play. I want to play now. What are the questions? Oh, play. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, starts. Yeah, my candy box is ready. I have to fill which one of the following is not a prime number. Which one is not a prime number? Which is the correct answer here? I forgot my answer. Yes. What? Option D, 91 is. Oh, before 30 seconds I have to. Yeah, correct. My candy is filled. Okay, my answer is correct, so my candy filled. Okay, so that's all. I think I couldn't add the next question. I'm not saving the next question, so the one question only appears. Okay, the score is 7. Okay, that's it. I gave this one as an assignment to my student. Ask them to prepare their own questions, own quiz by themselves. They prepared. I will show you and I will play and show you. They can send me the URL link and embedded link both. So URL link means if suppose you are not the member of this Educandy website, also you can play, and only the embedded member embedded code you can get it directly you can play using that code. Here This is the game prepared by my students. Wow, they prepared well. This is quiz questions only they prepared. Numerical methods they prepared the question. Wow, here, yeah, Euler's method formula. Yes, this is, I think so, not correct. This is not correct. Yeah, correct. Yes, within that 30 seconds you can fill. Now it's correct. Okay, so here the Euler formula it asks. Yeah, good. Yeah, the candy is filled in the box. Okay, next question. What is the answer? Yeah, correct. Euler's method is the correct answer. Got it. Yeah, next. Runge-Kutta method. Here, no, it's not correct. Not correct. Yes. If suppose you are putting a wrong answer, it moves fastly. Can you look at that? Here, look at moves fastly. Correct. Yeah. My candy box filled because I answered correctly. Okay, within that 30 seconds. Okay. So like that you can play the game. And how to share this prepared question that I want to explain you now. Here, go to your my activities. My activity, now whatever the activities you created, that saved on here. Okay, saved on here. You just put share. Share na two codes are appear, two links are appear. One is URL link. You just copy and give it to the send to your share with your students. Means if suppose they have a Educandy member, they registered in Educandy website, free registration only, don't worry, free registration only. If they registered, they can directly go with this link, or otherwise if they are not a member also, they can directly go for the quiz using this embedded code. Okay, you just copy this embedded code, and like that only my students are sharing. Here, URL code, embedded link, both they can share. Okay, here like that you can share with your student, and they can enjoy the game, they can enjoy their education too. Parents also can use for their children's and make them the learning very interesting and tasteful, sweety learning you can give you for your children. Okay, see you, bye, and then bye from Kavita. We will meet on the next video. Bye, see you.